If you're trying to install Saily eSIM app but you are unable, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Saily eSIM app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to fix this challenge and any other related challenge, just go to your Google Play Store. So I'll go to Google Play Store here and then open your Google Play Store and make sure you are trying to download this app while logged in. However, if you are logged in but unable to download and install this app, then go to the profile image here, tap on it and scroll down to settings. From settings, look for network preferences and choose app download preference. Currently, you can see it is set to over Wi-Fi only. Change this to over any network to ensure you can download and install apps via any network that you are connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK, and now you should be able to download and install this app. However, if you still have a challenge at this point, then you might want to check if you have enough space on your smartphone. For that, you need to clear any trash or delete unwanted or unused apps or files from your smartphone before you can try to install this app. You can also clear trash on your smartphone by running a cleanup. However, if you can't still install your app, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, you need to access Google Play Store app info page by long pressing on it, and you can see we have our app info option here. Or if you are missing this, you should have a settings gear here or the name of Google Play Store. Just tap on any of these to access Google Play Store app information page. From here, first, we need to force stop Google Play Store by tapping on force stop to stop any background activities that might be hindering installation. Then go to clear data here and choose clear cache. This is the last option, so confirm by tapping on OK. At this point, you'll need to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted, now go to Google Play Store and then activate search and search for your app by name. So I'll run search Saily, and if I run the search, you can see we have our app here. I'll now try to install and see if everything is okay. And look at that, I'm now able to download Saily app from Google Play Store. So that's how you can fix can't install Saily app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.